I've never seen a whole Needo thing like this. I mean, I guess we have to grab all the Needo. I don't see a reason why not. Going for 40 bucks, 20 bucks. Yeah. So 547.11 you said for how many Needos?
63.
63. And just gotta go all the way down. I'm meeting someone to sell them 35 Needos at 15 bucks a piece, so that's 525 bucks. Oh, 35, heading out to the door. Oh. Yeah. So what?
Damn, these is heavy.
Yeah, I know they're heavier than they look too. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 right there. Let's go. Well, I'm just gonna text and see which one that I need to get here. So you're good. Look at this. The big ones go for 120 online.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Well, that's fine. Yo, check it out. We got the dumplings. We got a giant dumpling, which apparently goes for like 120 on eBay. And then the small ones are going for like 25. So thanks a lot, Five Below.
I'm giving away another insane deal for free. Tap the link in my bio to claim it.